best friend. I know you'd like to think my life depends on you. Why don't you stop? Why don't you take a listen round? If your thoughts don't make a sound, why don't you change your way of thinking?
A few moments later.
Girl and boy, better make it fast. If you're gonna make a big noise, better make it last.
Park up here.
Alright. At the end of the day, I still got enough for me and mine. I'm calling you a call. All my keys and all my biz went so smooth. I'm thanking you.
Come on.
And you haven't got a fucking clue.
You could look at it optimistically and say, well, it probably means that there's less competition out there, but it does tend not to be the case. When, you know, Hollywood sneezes, everybody gets a cold. And so I would figure that that's going to be reflected in our industry. I mean, I think that it's worthwhile pointing out that the Australian film industry, local industry, is very highly supported.
Fuck's sake, mate.
I'm gonna go fucking ballistic. Get a grip!
Red light!
What the fuck?
bastard.
And you know what time it is. Our shitbag titty fuck of the week goes to the one and only...
Let's start there. How are Ukrainians feeling? What kinds of stories are they telling you?
Good evening or good morning to you in Australia from Kiev. Listen there, I have heard many heartbreaking stories of grief, pain and loss. With over 12,000 people killed and families are affected by that, almost 30,000.
What the fuck is wrong with you?
Hygiene items.
YIM43S.
In full force, but there is also a mental health impact after into the 4th year now.
Absolute
Not just from
fucking
lost
idiot.
loved ones or being injured, but also the constant
You can't park there, Dave.
Were they beeping?
Yeah, the bipping the bloke that come up next to me. This clown here.
In the white.
He's giving everyone the finger. Where the fuck are you going, pal? Scared the living shit out of me.
That one?
No, this bloke behind me. He was there and he went up like this, and everyone was bipping him and doing things, and
This one behind us?
yeah. And then, what are you doing? On the phone. You go there, pal. You pass me.